How to mute message notifications on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to mute message notifications on TikTok. Okay, straight into it. First, open up the TikTok app and tap on the inbox button at the bottom. Next, open the conversation with the person you'd like to mute notifications from. Now tap the three dots in the top right hand corner. Tap the switch labelled Mute Notifications to stop getting notifications from that person. They will still be able to message you and or send you videos, but you won't get push notifications for messages from this person. So you can catch up on their messages and videos they've sent you when you choose to check them, rather than being distracted by notifications every time they message you. This setting only applies to individual conversations, so it will not affect your notifications for messages from other people. Repeat to mute notifications from other friends as needed. Conversations with notifications muted will have a crossed out bell icon next to them in your message window. You can go back and unmute them at any time by tapping the mute switch again. And that's all it takes to mute and unmute message notifications on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.